Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. So the first thing I want to say is if you can't tell already, I am sick. I'm losing my voice and I feel pretty bad. So I'm going to try to get through this as quickly as possible, but please excuse my voice. So this week we're going to have, well, not technically 3 new collections, but we're going to have 3 releases. All of these are going to be pre-sales. I think that is how I'm going to start doing foiled kits from now on so that they don't sell out within the first day or so. So we've got Hello Spring, which is this right here. We are going to be releasing pre-sales for the January mystery kit, and then our February mystery kit will be released today as well. So if you wanted to pick up multiples, they are all pre-sales, so they would all be shipping at the same time. So I'm going to show you Hello Spring. I'm also going to show, I've got a January mystery mini kit over here that I'm going to show you guys. And then I'll do kind of like a little sneak of the February mystery kit. But the first one that I have here is Hello Spring. So these are the full boxes. This one does have the gold foil, and there's a good bit of foil on this kit, you guys can see. I messed around with these full boxes a couple of times, so this is a bit different than what I showed on Instagram last night. And it's more or less just I cleaned a few things up. I didn't like how the foil was looking in some places, but these are the full boxes. So I wanted to do something kind of Eastery without being like just super in your face Easter. So I think that this works really well for just the month of March or April, or really anything spring. I think without the bunny it looks just really spring-like. So those are the full boxes. Here is your second sheet in the deluxe kit. These colors are very, very pastel. They're very light. So you've got your 2 flags, your weekend banner, date numbers, icons, script icons in deco, 2 weekly trackers, and a bill due. And then you've got your appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, and marquees, your little things, as well as your headers, ombre heart checklist, some more flags up here, and 2 daily trackers, and then your bottom washi sheet for the deluxe kit. I am obsessed. So we've got this like lace foil, and I love this so much. I think it is so pretty. So you've got your bottom washi, you've got your date covers, and you've got your regular washi. I do want to mention that this particular kit is only going to be available on glossy. This whole lace ordeal going on does not want to foil on matte. Also, our matte pricing has gone up. I mentioned I wanted to get rid of matte completely, but there were a lot of people who really just don't like glossy. So we're going to keep it, but I did have to up our pricing a bit. But this particular kit is only going to be available on glossy. And that's just because of this right here. This is really difficult on matte to get this to actually foil as like one solid piece. So then we will have this available as a mini kit. So the same thing with the full boxes. And then your second sheet has your weekend banner, 2 flags, script icons, daily trackers, weekly trackers, your heart checklist at the bottom, and then your regular icons at the top. And then you've got your headers, your little things, and some quarter boxes. And then your bottom washi is the same as the deluxe kit. And then you've got some regular washi here, some half boxes, and some marquees. We will also have glitter headers and date covers for everything that I'm going to show. It's just not something that I pull when I do these videos. But that was Hello Spring. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and show is the January mystery kit. So if you've already ordered this and you're waiting on it and you don't want to see it, go ahead and click out now, because I am going to actually show the entire mini kit. So when you order these as a mystery pre-sale, they do come with some extras. The February kit will be coming with the extras, and all of this will be listed on the title and the description of these kits. But for January, since this one already did come out and this is now a pre-sale, it will not be coming with these extras. So for the sub, it came with date covers. These will be available a la carte in the shop, but they won't be coming with the kits. This sheet right here, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with, because there's not a weekend banner in this kit because I put the larger one on this sheet. I don't think this is going to be coming with the kits either, but I think I will have this listed in the shop if you wanted to pick it up. And this just has your weekend banner. It's got some of these work labels, some steps, and some workout. And then this would be the actual mini kit. So here are your full boxes. I love this kit. I'm just completely obsessed with this kit. And when I did a video showing myself using this in a plan with me and posted on Instagram, I got so many messages asking if this kit could be bought. So I think this is going to be the only one that ever gets brought back. So all three of these collections are going to be pre-sales. Like I said, they will be available starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, and they will come back down at 9 p.m. on Sunday night. They may end up going up a bit earlier today just because they're pre-sale, so I don't have to worry about them selling out. But these are your full boxes, and I love this kit so much. So here is your second sheet in the mini kit, and you can see that the weekend banner that I did for this kit wouldn't fit, so I just added in some deco up top. But the rest of the format is the same as the mini kit that I just showed. Here are your little things and your headers, some quarter boxes, and then here is your bottom washi for this kit. So for the deluxe kit, you would just have the date covers as well. And I don't think that I'm going to be putting the pictures of this up in the listings for the pre-sale. I think it's just going to be the same mystery kind of listing that I normally do, where it just shows the background of one of the boxes, and that's just because I don't want to spoil for anybody who hasn't, you know, opened theirs yet. I think at this point, unless you were international, everybody should have received theirs, but still, I don't want to spoil anything. So this will also have a listing like a mystery kit. And then the last thing that I've got is the February mystery kit, which I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but I am going to go ahead and show you guys. And I'm just going to take some full boxes off of this sheet and stick them on my hand. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just a bit of a peek at this. Let's see. I'm trying to pick which boxes I want to show. I think that'll work. Okay. So here is a preview. This is kind of hard to do to get the foil to show. So this one does have rose gold foil. It's got some really, really pretty like mint colors in it, florals, and then this one doesn't actually have any foil, and then this one I'm obsessed with. Just a big rose gold bow. I love that so, so much. So here is your sneak peek at the February mystery kit, and these will be available all weekend as well. February mystery kit, this is it. We're not going to do any more after this, as well as January. Hello Spring. I am going to attempt to restock that one at some point after I get all the pre-sales shipped. I hope you guys love this week's new releases. They will be up around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.